Yeah, there she is. Don't go in the water. What do you mean don't go in the water?
Shark attack!
Shark attack. That's my nickname at the gym.
I know, that's why.
Do you know why it's called? Wait, do you know why I'm called Shark Attack?
You fight like a shark.
Basically, what happens is that when we're in the boxing class, real simple, I'll tell everybody real quick, is that just when you think I'm down and out, I come back from behind and I beat everyone.
Shark attack, everybody.
Exactly.
Shark Boss.
Shark Attack on Crumb Boss. And here we have Shark Attack. We actually have Jaws Cupcakes, right?
Hey, who got us something on my life preserver?
It was my fingerprint. Yeah, alright, so here's a life preserver and here's the Jaws Cupcakes. Shark Attack Cupcakes. Crumb Boss, what'd you do? How'd you get the buttercream so blue?
I colored it with blue.
I love blue.
This one is a different batch though. Watch this, because I'm going to show you how to make the life preserver and the shark fin.
Yes.
But first you need some blue buttercream on top of your cupcake. This one's a little bit different color. This one has white caps in it. The ocean is raging.
Exactly. Yeah. Just like our channel. Yeah, raging. It's out of control. How many hits do you think we get a day on YouTube?
I couldn't.
Thousands. Thousands. Thousands.
Know the answer.
I'd say we're close to like about 30 to 40,000 hits a day.
Yeah?
Yeah. And
I don't go on there anymore.
No,
I stick to Facebook. Facebook people are so much more calm. YouTube people, man, I've been getting some nasty comments. I gotta stay away.
No, don't worry about it. I'm in charge of the YouTubers, okay? YouTubers, yeah. Make a One Direction cake. All right, we're making Jaws cupcakes right now. So here we have is Summer Fun cupcakes made by the Crumb Boss. They're little shark fins with a life preserver. So in case you ladies and gentlemen, always respect the ocean. Please remember that. Never ever go into the ocean. And
don't go swimming 20 minutes until after you ate because you could drown.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You never heard that?
No.
Yeah, like if you ever ate something, you're at a picnic or whatever, and you're eating, and then your parents are like, don't go swimming yet, you're going to drown. Oh. Like, why? Just because I ate a hamburger?
Yeah, well, you probably get stomach cramps or something.
Yeah, right, and then you're going to drown. Like, the stomach cramps are going to be that devastating that you're going to just go underwater and drown.
No, all right, we're not going to drown. Nobody's drowning. We're just making very simple, cool little shark and life preserver cupcakes for the summer. So, what do you do, Crumb Boss?
You got to get your cupcakes, get your...
Yeah, what's that mean?
You need some fondant or some modeling paste, whichever you prefer using. And I have some white here because I'm going to show you how to make the life preserver first.
Okay.
So pretty much what I'm doing is just going to roll it out into like a tube shape.
Yeah. And to make it like a circle.
Yeah, to make it like a donut-shaped circle, similar to rolling bagels, everybody. Oh, I'm telling you, it's so hard to use the gloves when it's 100 degrees in here because it just gets...
Why is your bakery so hot? Oh my god.
Yeah.
No, but these are really cool. I actually saw this the other day when you sent me this photo, and you're like, hey, look what I'm making. I can't even talk. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I'm macking.
I'm macking.
All right, so here you roll out your modeling paste to about that. What is that? Like, I don't know, 2.5 inches.
Yes.
And then you're gonna form it.
Okay.
Oh, that's a little baby one. Let's make it bigger.
Okay.
All right, so go to 4 inches. How's that? Hey, we just wing it.
Exactly. You know, there's no measurement. There's no measuring.
Just eye it.
Just eye it, yeah.
Where's the recipe? There's no recipe. Just eye it.
Just eye it, yeah. Just eye it. Just eye it.
Certain things you can eye, and certain things there's recipes.
Exactly.
Right, so here we have our like 3 to 4 inch long piece.
Cool.
And then you just form it into a circle where you hook the ends, and they will stay together.
And they'll stay together because it's fun with fondant.
That's right.
Part 62.
Then I take some more fondant. I get the one that's already colored red.
Okay.
It's a lot easier because a lot of people do find that it's hard to get red, like red, you know, it's just pink and pink and pink.
Yeah.
So especially...
I know how to make red fondant.
I know you do, and it's difficult. It's a lot of kneading. It's a lot of color. You're adding so much color that then your fondant gets so sticky and hard to work with. I prefer to just buy it already colored.
Okay.
It's, you know, certain colors.
Yes.
All right, so you're just going to take a little piece of that. Hey, where's my roller? Oh, here it is. And you want to just roll that out.
So, Crumb Boss, now that you're back filming, how was your couple of weeks off from hiatus?
Oh, it was good.
What was it like? What did you do?
It was good. I got some Tim.
Yeah.
Been working on my guns here, everybody.
Okay. Crumb guns. Yeah.
So yeah, just really, and plus the bakery has been so busy throughout the summer with graduations and weddings and
Yeah.
you know, confirmations.
Again, you guys have to remember that the Crumb Boss owns a bakery and it's a business, and she gets very busy.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult to.
Okay, so do you see how I just cut these little strips?
Yes.
Of red. Everything's
I think
so
that's-
sticky.
Exactly.
So what I like to do is first of all cover up where I hooked the life preserver together, so then nobody can see that you made that little hook. You know
Gotcha.
what I mean? And then you just do that.
Okay.
You just do that. It's good and bad. Like, it's good because it sticks instantly, but it's bad because it's very difficult to roll this stuff when it's so hot and humid.
Okay.
So there you go.
That's
There's
really
your life
cute.
preserver.
That's
And
really.
then we
I want to bring these to work tomorrow.
You can.
Okay. And then how do you make Jaws' fin?
Yeah, same idea. You're going to roll out the black. Now, black is another color that I go ahead and buy
Yeah.
because it's so, you have to use so much of that color to get it to be the color that you want, that I find that it just makes the fondant way too soft. Now, how did I do this one? I did this.
It's like a triangle, but he's got like a fin. It's a dorsal fin.
Yes, it is.
Or it's a shark fin. Well, somebody explain what it is.
Oh,
What's
so,
a
and then I
dorsal
just kind of
fin?
like molded it a little bit to make it more of the shape.
Okay.
And then you stick it right into your cupcake like that.
Oh, cool. All right, so there we have the Summer Fun cupcakes made by the Crumb Boss. You want to put them all together now?
All right, I'll put them all together now.
That looks good. So there's your, oh, it's not a baker's dozen.
No, it's not. It's only 8.
Why is a baker's dozen 13?
Because we're nice.
Okay. All right, so here we have the...
We give you the one that we dropped on the floor for free.
That's classic. Okay, so here we have the Jaws cupcakes, or the shark cupcakes. Again, vanilla cake recipe, and you'll have yourself a nice little ocean. So again, ladies and gentlemen, summertime fun with the one and only, your #1 baking and pastry channel on YouTube.
Crumb Boss.
Yeah, there you go.